Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add an arrow to a line in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see here many slides. You want to add an arrow to line shape, you can create a blank slide. Now we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shape. We go to the line section and we can see here the line. You can add any line shape. Now I am draw the line, press shift on our keyboard, then select the line shape and go to the shape format menu and select the shape style. You want to add arrow to this line shape, select the single arrow option, then select the shape outline. You can change the color. Now I am select red. You can enable or increase the white, select the white option and increase the white. Now we can see we add an arrow to line shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.